Dyma wersyll tonfannau yn Sir Feirionnydd. Hen wersyll milwrol sydd bellach yn gartre i dros 1,000 o asiaid, ffoaduriaid o Uganda, wedi troi allan o'i gwlad gan bolisia y Cadfridog am un. Tydi hi ond mis Tachwedd, ond mae hi'n oer ac yn lub ac yn wyntog, ac mae yna dywydd gwaith i ddod. Ac mae llawer o'r bobl yma yn debyg o aros yma am fwy o gyfnod nag a fwriadwyd ar y dechrau. A thra maen nhw yma, sut gyfleustera sydd ganddyn nhw? Sut le ydy hwn i fyw ynddo? Faint o broblemau mae'r rhain yn debyg o gael wrth chwilio am waith a chartref yng Nghymru neu yn Lloegr? Sut bobl ydyn nhw? Pa fath waith fydran nhw'n wneud? Be ydy i cefndir cymdeithasol nhw? Pa mor anodd fydd iddyn nhw ffitio i fewn i batrwm bywyd ym Mhrydain? Dyna'r math o gwestiynau da ni am ei gofyn nhw yma heddiw. Sinema'r hen wersyll ydy hwn, mae'n cael ei ddefnyddio rwan fel canolfan adloniadol, ac mae yna ganolfan arall yn cael ei adeiladu ar hyn o bryd. Mae rhai o'r rhain wedi bod yma am fis hyn hyn. Some of you, I gather, have been here as long as a month. I believe you've been here even longer. How have you found the welcome here in Wales?
Well, one thing that really surprised us here was the very great and hospitable welcome that we got when we came here. In fact, we arrived here at night, and when we got down at the station, we got this big crowd of Welsh people all waving at the station, and they let out a very big cheer.
Yes.
And this is something which really got us right in there.
Oh, well, that's very nice. Now, how much of a problem did you have when you were leaving? Were you able to bring your possessions, any of them, with you?
Well, not much really. What we could really bring across was one suitcase only. And some of the stuff which was in the suitcase was taken away by the army blocks over at the customs barrier in Uganda. And it's not really much, it's mainly the stuff that we wear that we came across with.
What did you yourself do in Uganda?
I used to work, at the time I left, I used to work for the Ministry of Information, Broadcasting and Tourism.
Oh, really? Yes.
And
yes. And now here, what kind of work would you like to do?
well, that's one thing I'm not really sure about, because we have no ideas yet as to what the country has to offer as such. You know, what we would like to know really at this stage, to get the background of how much is available in this country so far as jobs are concerned, and then make a choice of your own.
Well, now, some of the others here, what were you doing in Uganda?
I was a miner.
Miner? Oh, well, it should be possible for you to find work as a miner in Wales?
Well, I would not really take mining now, since I've done it for too long.
What would you now like to do?
Anything, something like not my missionary side, like factories and so on.
And where in Britain would you like to live?
Wherever I could earn my living.
You'd be quite willing to go to a place where maybe there weren't many other families from Uganda?
I'm willing to go anywhere. I mean, I don't mind wherever I go, provided I earn my living, that's all.